Hello guys, welcome to another episode. What I'm going to do today is I'm just going to simply remove the disc from this wheel and install it on this wheel. The client already bought a complete new rim. They have the tire already put on. Okay guys, so let's start heating this up. I'm going to start the bolt next to the K and the KO. So let's see if I punch it, if we have movement. That's it. Came loose. So now I'm just going to do the same procedure on the rest of them. We'll get all of them loose. Okay people, as you've seen, I've loosened all of them. Now we can just take this disc off here. Okay, so I'm just going to clean the disc out. Hey, it's still hot. It's still nice and hot. It's actually quite cold out here in South Africa. So the disc helped me heat up a little bit. Heats me up. But it's already cooling down of the spray. It's like instantaneous. Okay, it's still hot, it's still hot, it's still hot. Especially in the middle section, yeah, I can feel now. It's nice and hot. Actually feels quite delicious. So it's an exact match on this side. If we slide it on, it fits exactly. If we go on this side, it doesn't fit. This is the sprocket side. Okay. Before I mount the screws, I'm going to put some Loctite on them. Okay guys, we've got this Pratley lock. I'm going to use this. I'm just gonna fasten them nice. So that should be ample. And that's the end of the story. Thanks for watching, guys.